Okay, now I'm going to show you how to divide using what's called the big 7 or partial quotient. So we have our equation, we have the dividend, which is that big number, 1,364. We're dividing by the divisor, that's how many equal groups I have, which is 4. And I get my quotient, which is how much is in each group. So now, I like to relate multiplication with division here. So my divisor, I'm going to write my multiples of whatever my divisor is. In this case, it's 4. So I wrote my multiples of 4. So now for the big 7, we're going to set it up. I have my divisor, my dividend here in the inside, and I want to bring down this line right here, straight down. So what does it kind of look like to you? Like a 7, see? That's why we call it the big 7. So now I'm relating multiplication to division, so I have my multiplication sign, and my quotients, my partial quotients, I'm going to bring out here to the right. So I start by dividing. 1 divided by 4. You're right, I can't do it. Because if I have 1 cookie, I can't share with 4 people. Unless it's a fraction. But in this case, I'm using whole, so I don't want to divide there using fractions. So I can't do it. I come right next door. Now I have 13. 13 divided by 4. I want to try to pass 13 here. 16, I passed it right there. If I did times 4, that would be 16. I can't subtract 16, so it has to be 12. So that would be 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 equaled 12. That 12 I want to bring right under. And I want to set up to subtract. I can't subtract here, Ms. G. I don't have anything here. You're right. So I have to plug in 2 zeros because I have 2 digits there. Those same 2 zeros I bring over here to the side. Now I have 300. See that? Those 2 zeros I needed to subtract here, I brought over to my 3. So now I can subtract. That's 4, 6, 1, 0. So I'm just going to leave it blank. Now I start all over. I have 1 divided by 4. You're right, I can't do it because 4 times 1 is already 4. So it has to be 0. So now I come over to the next place value. 16 divided by 4. 16 right there. That's times 4. I bring over my 4. So I know 4 times 4 was 16. My 16 comes in. I needed 1 0. 1 0. Subtract. I get 4 left. 4 divided by 4. 4 times 1 is 4, so I know 4 times 1 is 4. I subtract. Now, here on the side, I have what are called partial quotients. They're parts of my quotients. Now, I need to add it up to find my whole quotient. That's 1. Make sure that all your place values are in the right place. My 1s with the 1s place, 10s with the 10s, 100s with the 100s. 0 plus 4, 4, 3. So then my quotient is 341.